Hi everyone, this week on the Loos for All channel, I'll be showing you how I painted this beautiful paint scheme on a homemade lure. If you want to see me make this lure out of wood, I'll put a link to that video in the description. This paint scheme is perfect if you like black lures, but you want to make it just a little more fancy. We'll start off by giving the lure a full coat of black. Make sure to dry the black paint with a heat gun, because the next step is clamping on a fine mesh to spray on the scales. With this pearlized paint, I'll cover both sides with a thin coat of silver. Before pulling off the mesh, I dry the lure with my heat gun to prevent smearing out the scales. To make the scales blue, I mixed some black with pearlized blue and give the scales a very thin coat. As you can see, there's no silver left. Next, I'll spray the entire lure with black. For the sides, I'll leave the scales barely exposed so they are still visible. For the rest of the lure, I cover the scales entirely, plus spray the black on thin enough so you should still be able to see the glitter from the pearlized paint shine through. Now I'll mix 3 drops of pearlized white with 1 drop of gold and with 1 drop of normal white to give the lure a tracking dot on top of the head, which makes the lure more visible while fishing. Because I thought it would look good, I gave the tail a quick coat with the same white mixture. To finish this lure off, I'll glue on 2 big silver eyes with super glue. With the ice glued on, all that's left to do is give the floor a quick coat of epoxy. Like I said at the start, if you want to see me make this floor, you can find a link to that video in the description. And with all that said, thanks for watching.